Hi dolls! So before we begin, I feel like I have to explain a few things. This video was meant to be way longer than it is, but unfortunately I propped my camera in such a way where all you could see was the back of my head. So I tried to salvage as much as possible of the original footage, but some of it is just gone, so I hope you can still appreciate the final result, and again, I apologize. Hi dolls, welcome to part 3 of this series. In this episode, I will demonstrate how I repainted Barbie's face, as well as showcasing my inability to film while focusing on a task. Seriously, it was a struggle. I traced the eyebrows from another doll onto a piece of soft plastic and used it as a stencil. You will see later on that I changed my mind about the color and decided to go lighter, but obviously I managed to get zero footage of the process. The pupils of the eyes were the easiest part, as most of the color was still on there. I only had to go back and trace. From what I gathered in my research, there were multiple little alterations in the series of dolls in terms of eyes. Some had defined edges, some didn't. I used a color similar to the eyeshadow as I didn't want her eyes to be too sharp, and I think the end result looks not too different to the original. For the lips, I went with the coral pink as it was the most common color, and I felt it would clash less with the blue in her eyes. I then applied a very sheer coat of chalk pastel to her cheeks to brighten things up, and it really brought the face up together. To seal everything, I gave the face one last spray of MSC, then glossed her eyes, lips, and nails with varnish. The next step was to paint her nails. What you see here is my pathetic attempt at trying to paint them while filming, but don't worry, I obviously perfected the nails off camera. And here's how she looks now. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I swear I'll try to find better camera angles next time.